Then secondly we have cause or reason. Cause or reason showing the conjunctions are as, since, because, as, etc. Let us go to bed as it is midnight. The first clause is let us go to bed is independent clause, whereas the clause which is being introduced by as, it is dependent clause, as it is midnight. I will give up my claim since you insist on it. I will give up my claim. मैं अपना जो claim है उसे छोड़ दूंगी since you insist on it, because you are insisting on it, क्योंकि तुम दबाव दे रहे हो, क्योंकि तुम force कर रहे हो. So the independent clause is I will give up my claim, and dependent clause is since you insist on it. I love him because he is good. I love him, that is independent clause, and because he is good is dependent clause. As he was not there, I spoke to her mother. Now here comes another type of example. I spoke to her mother is independent clause, and as she was not there is dependent. This is not necessary always that the independent clause stands at first in the sentence. It can be after also. The sentence can start with the dependent clause even. Like in this sentence, as she was not there, I spoke to her mother. So the independent clause in this sentence is I spoke to her mother, and the dependent clause is as she was not there. Always remember the dependent clause only starts with the subordinating conjunction. So here in this sentence, as is the subordinating conjunction and the dependent clause is as she was not there. Clear? Okay, next type we have is purpose. The subordinating conjunctions which show the purpose, किस वजह से वो काम हुआ है. Always speak the truth so that people respect you. हमेशा सच बोलो ताकि लोग आपका सम्मान करें. So here independent clauses always speak the truth, and dependent clauses so that people respect you. He works hard in order to become rich. He works hard is independent clause, and in order to become rich is dependent clause, means अमीर बनने के लिए वो मेहनत करता है. He held my hand lest I should fall. See here the lest is a new one I think to some of you, and always remember to use should after lest. Always remember to use should after lest. Lest के बाद हमेशा should का use हमें करना है. He held my hand, उसने मेरा हाथ पकड़ लिया, lest I should fall, ताकि मैं गिरूँ ना. This lest and should combination always gives us a negative thought, ताकि मैं ना गिरूँ. ठीक है, बच जाने जैसी कंडीशन जब होती है तो उसमें हमें लेस्ट एंड शुड का यूज़ करना है. लेस्ट के साथ हमेशा शुड यू हैव टू यूज़. He held my hand is independent clause. Lest I should fall, dependent clause. Lest here is the subordinating conjunction of purpose. Next is condition. किस condition पर वो काम हुआ है. I cannot trust you. I cannot trust you is independent clause, and unless you give it in writing. जब तक कि तुम मुझे ये लिख कर ना दो, जब तक तुम मुझे लिख कर ना दो मैं तुम्हारा विश्वास नहीं कर सकती. तो unless you give it in writing, this is dependent clause starting with the subordinating conjunction unless of condition. Hurry up. So here again we don't have any subject, so we have to assume it. You hurry up if you want to be punctual. So this is one clause, you hurry up. This is independent clause, and if you want to be punctual is dependent clause starting with the subordinating conjunction of condition if. I agree to these terms provided you agree to mine. I agree to these terms, these conditions, these promises. ठीक है, terms. I agree to these terms. मैं इन शर्तों को मान सकती हूँ provided you agree to mine. बशर्ते कि तुम मेरी वाली भी मानो, provided you agree to mine. Yes. So I agree to these terms provided you agree to mine. Provided is also a subordinating conjunction and shows the condition. Condition, मैं तुम्हारी टर्म्स मानती हूँ अगर तुम भी मेरी वाली मानो. ओके. He ran as if he had been shot. ऐसे भागा वो जैसे कि उसे गोली लगी हो. He ran as if he had been shot. तो as if is the conjunction and this is the dependent clause. This is independent clause. He ran independent and as if he had been shot dependent clause starting with the conjunction as if. Then we have result or consequence. He was so tired that he could not walk. So the conjunction here is so that. Okay. He was so tired that he could not walk. इतना थक गया था वो that he could not walk. He was so tired is the independent clause and that he could not walk is dependent clause. The boys made such a great noise that nothing could be heard. The boys made such a great noise that nothing could be heard. कुछ भी सुना नहीं जा रहा था. इतना शोर कर रहे थे वो बच्चे कि कुछ भी सुना नहीं जा रहा था. That is the only conjunction. Nothing by mistake it is colored red. Only that is the conjunction. Okay. Such that is the combination. Then we have concession or contrast. Concession or contrast. Contrast होता है opposition show करना, not opposition, opposition. Okay. Although he is poor, he is honest. He is honest is the independent clause, whereas although he is poor is dependent clause. However fast he may run, he cannot overtake me. He cannot overtake me is the independent clause and however fast he may run is dependent clause. You cannot deceive him. धोखा देना. Deceive होता है धोखा देना. However clever you may be, you cannot deceive him this is independent clause. ये deceive by mistake it is red color. It is not a conjunction. You cannot deceive him. तुम उसे धोखा नहीं दे सकते. However clever you may be, चाहे तुम कितने भी clever चतुर हो. So this is independent and this is dependent. However is the conjunction here. Hot as it is, we must go out. Hot as it is, we must go out. We must go out is the independent clause and hot as it is, चाहे कितनी भी गर्मी हो हमें बाहर जाना पड़ेगा, जाना चाहिए. तो this is dependent and this is independent. Next we have is comparison. Compare करना दो लोगों को, दो चीज़ों को. ठीक है, किसी भी दो चीज़ों को compare करना. He is more intelligent than you. तो ये है independent clause हमारी. He is more intelligent than you. ये हो गया dependent clause. An aeroplane runs faster than a train. Independent, dependent. He likes me no less than you. He likes me independent, no less than you, dependent. He is as clever as I am. He is as clever as I am. He is clever. He is as clever, independent as I am, dependent. Next, and the last one we have is extent or manner. As you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. He behaves as if he were mad. He behaves as if he were mad. Do as I tell you. All these are subordinating conjunctions showing the extent or the manner. Now next, after this you all are having exercises to do, for which I request you to do, and then we will discuss and share the photos.